Sarkar Navodaya Vidyalaya Muzaffarnagar Bhagla. Under the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat, my topic is improve of education system in India for Viksit Bharat. There are many several problems in India such as high pressure of different exam, discrimination of eligibility of admission of academic classes, lack of teacher training, lack of integration of educational technologies, underdevelopment of infrastructure, practical based curriculum. The solutions of the problems are reduce exam pressure, adopt a more holistic approach to evolution that focus on overall development of rather than just exam score, address inequality, implement policies and programs that specifically target and bridge the education gap between the different regions and social economic schools. Lack of teacher training. Teachers are often not educated. Training especially in using modern teacher technique, technology integration. The integration of the technology in education is still a challenge. Improve infrastructure, upgrade school facilities, especially in rural area to create a better learning environment. Modern curriculum and teaching. Shift focus from read learning to practical and skill-based education as still in NEP 2020. Leverage technology. It integrate digital learning tools and resources to make education more accessible and enhanced. Lack of infrastructure. Many schools practical in rural area lack basis. Outdated curriculum and teaching method. The curriculum is often critical and does not focus on practical skills or even all growth, leading to the plain drain as students seek better opportunities elsewhere. Overemphasis on exam and grades. This creates excessive pressure on students and delegates holistic development. Education inequality. There is a significant gap between urban and rural school and between rich and poor students. Lack of teachers training. Teachers are often not adequately trained, especially in using modern teacher techniques. School integration. The integration of the technology into education is still a challenge. Student standing abroad. Many students choose to study abroad because of these issues in the Indian education system. The concrete authority meet mark on them, and student must also choose to stay learn in India and empower the country through their